Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around something quite special. That is the 2018 530D M Sport. Now this car's just done a touch under 30,000 miles and is finished in the Alpine White paintwork, but comes with these glorious 20-inch M spoke alloys. Now they are a couple of £1,000 in the optional extra list, but the car's paintwork is in exceptional condition. It's a 2018. I do like the black front kidney grills there on the 530. They are an optional extra. Obviously you've got the chrome ones that go in. Car itself has got front and rear parking sensors, but the paintwork is in exceptional condition. Lovely order, as one would expect for 30,000 miles. The alloy wheels are gorgeous. I must admit they are probably arguably the best 5 Series alloy wheel I've seen in a long time. And then we've got the M Sport. Because it is the 530, we do get this slightly larger brakes, and that is the brake calipers in Estoril blue. So let's take a look around this wonderful car. We've got the LED signature lamps on those, and they're smoked just to give that dynamic appeal in the front. All the wheels are in superb condition. Now when it goes into pre-delivery and detail, we'll remove them, we will polish them inside and out, we'll do the calipers, we'll do the disc polish, all them up so they look superb. Taking a look down the sides of the vehicle, they are free from trolley dent. You can tell the gentleman or lady who owned the car did not squeeze it into those spots near the door. Asda, they parked it away from everybody else. Now this one's got the black detailing around the windows, and then it's obviously got the rear privacy glass as well. But running round to the rear of the car, then we've got the twin tailpipes, the diffuser, the boot spoiler, parking sensors again in the back bumper. But the boots on these are huge. You could fit anything in there, 2-3 sets of golf clubs, tents, you name it, whatever you need in your family, you'll fit it in the boot of there. Then you've got the silky smooth 6-cylinder diesel engine powered by then into the gearbox of that fantastic BMW gearbox. Driver's side again is in great condition, mirror that of the passenger. 2 keys with this car, and I've taken a picture on our system, and I'll show you on the video as well the BMW service history on it. All the tyres are in fantastic order. 2 keys with it. Everything that was given to the first keeper when it was new is still present and correct today. So when I open the door, we are greeted by this lovely black Dakota leather, aluminium detail. Speaker system on this one is the Harman Kardon upgrade sound system, so you can have yourself a little disco in here. And it is wonderful. You've got the upgrade leather seats. Look at those Dakota black leather seats. M Sport front sport seats, which are also electric as well. Loaded up with goodies, so automatic headlamps, we've got automatic wipers, paddle shift there, minus and plus. We do have what we class as the Sensatec, or the digital cockpit is probably a better word for it. And that is then obviously the whole clocks are not analog, they are digital, and you can have various screens on there just to go through the system. It is lovely, lovely, lovely. Coming down into the centre, we've got the piano black detailing around the climate control system and CD player. Heated seats for winter there, keep your bum warm. And then we've got the various screens on the later BMW iDrive, just flicking through them. So we've got the media, the radio player, the DAB, music collection CD, with Bluetooth stream. We've got Connect Drive if you wanted to connect to the internet. We've got satellite navigation. We'll just scroll down to the map. You can have screen within screen, but this one's just been set up for a larger screen. And then going back, we then can go to the menu again. If I go through the menu, then we've got communication, which is your phone. We'll Bluetooth the phone when you arrive. Dead easy, dead simple. Your vehicle's there with all the details. Status is where we want to look at, and then click over there, down to the car, service requirements, engine oil. So the next engine service is required in 7,000 miles or May 23, and that's your oil. Vehicle check is in 21,000 miles or May 25, that's far away. We've then got May 23 on the brake fluid if you require that. Vehicle inspection is May 25. We put it through a pre-delivery inspection anyway. So we'll have a look on the service documentation there now on the iDrive of the system. Last service in 7th of May 21 at 22,225. And go back on there. Previous to that, 17th of the 7th, 19. And they're all BMW dealers there, so The last two, 25036, 25036, and the first one is there at 13 miles. That's the supplying dealer. So all's present and correct, sir, just as we like to see it. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper in this vehicle has not been a smoker either. It has that lovely BMW leather smell in here. Passenger seat is in great condition also. The Dakota leather in a BMW is very hard wearing. Centre console's in nice order as well. Some very, very slight marking, but nothing that would detract from the purchase. The leather trim steering wheel is beautiful in the hand. We've got the cruise control, speed limiter and radio controls here. Air conditioning's on there at 16 degrees and it is ice cold in here. However, it is still warm outside. We can adjust the drive modes from comfort to sport to eco mode, but the whole car is just a delight. This is one I've just said to my colleague I would love to own and drive. These 530s are phenomenal torquey engines. They will catch the best 911 on a motorway and they will give you over 45 to 50 miles to the gallon. What more do you want? Back seats are, well, it's like sitting on the sofa in your house. Some sofas you'd be happy with that quality, wouldn't you? The ribbon and the silver detail, just exquisite BMW, just exquisite. Harman Kardon speakers in the rear as well. Lovely, lovely sound. Put your favourite tunes on and drive straight up down the motorway to the seaside. Enjoy yourself in this most beautiful, beautiful car. Bearing in mind it's only on 29,900 and so miles. Super low mileage. 4-year-old BMW 530 with less than 30,000 miles on. Where'd you find them? But yeah, all the wheels are in exceptional order. You just know that this last keeper of this car has been fastidious in its care. Not a mark on that dry passenger wheel. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Car's running there now. You can see those LED style headlamps. Everybody think you're in a police car if you came racing up behind them in this. But what a lovely, lovely motor. So give us a call here in Wigan if you'd like to reserve it. We can take a £250 deposit. That will reserve it, take it offline and get it ready for your visit to Alpha Motors. At which then, once you're happy with it, once you've test drove it, you've gone round it, we would then do a bank payment. You can send your money from your bank to our bank and then we'll do the paperwork and off you drive. Car itself, if you need finance, we've got some fantastic rates on this. Only 9.9% APR here at Alpha Motors on this car, subject to your credit worthiness. Have a look on Facebook, on YouTube. We have all of those particular vehicles there. Customers from all over the country picking cars up. Have a look on our Auto Trader reviews, Google reviews, Facebook reviews. We are a 5-star dealer and we have again won the Auto Trader highly rated award for 2022, and we've also won Car Guru's award for customer service for 2022 also. So thanks for watching the video. I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic. Either one of us will be happy to help you in any way. Should you need finance, have you got a part exchange, we can look after you to the best possible service we have. So thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.